Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro. Who is the ultimate winner? The final result will absolutely shock you. First, we discuss body. So who wins the build and body battle? The Galaxy S26 Ultra takes this opening round. Thanks to its slimmer 7.9 text IM design and a lighter 214A text gear body, it offers much better. The winner is Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now we discuss processor. So, who's the ultimate performance king? It's another clear win for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. While OnePlus offers a super fluid experience with ColorOS 16, it just cannot match the raw processing power. The winner is Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now we discuss display. So, who takes the display crown? The Galaxy S26 Ultra absolutely crushes this round. Even though OnePlus offers a faster 100 or more Hz refresh rate, an IPS LCD panel simply cannot compete with the just dropping colors. The winner is Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now you will compare camera. Who takes the camera crown? The Galaxy S26 Ultra wins by a landslide. OnePlus only gives you a basic setup with an auxiliary lens and 4K video, while Samsung rules with 200MP detail, incredible optical zoom and 8K cinematic power. The winner is Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now you will compare front camera. So, who wins the selfie battle? It's a total shutdown by the Galaxy S26 Ultra. An 8MP front camera with 1080p video belongs in a budget phone, not against a premium king like Samsung. The winner is Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now you will compare charging and battery. So, who wins the final power round? It is an absolute destruction by OnePlus. With an unbeatable 8000 mAh capacity and next-gen battery tech, OnePlus. Insane. $8,000 silicon carbon battery. 60W fast charging. Samsung's battery life looks tiny in comparison. The winner is OnePlus Turbo 6X Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.